Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes, and for everyone that's tuning in for the first time, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Today, I'll be starting off with these two give cylinders that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be gluing them together and then connecting both of them. And I'll be using this Gorilla Glue that I got from Walmart, and like I told y'all, this is bomb.com Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks. Make sure to get you a pack. I will now be taking this cylinder and gluing it to this bowl that I got from the Dollar Tree. I purchased a total of 2 of them. And next I will be attaching the second cylinder. And now I will be gluing on the second bowl to the top. I will now be cutting these foam rings in half. I used a total of 4. These are some rings that were left over from a project that I did previously, but I'm just going to take this saw and cut them into 2. And I am now going to take my hot glue gun and glue the pieces onto the cylinders. And what I'm doing is having each side mirror the other. So I will have a total of 4 glued down, and then I will start gluing the other pieces in between. And I'm just gonna add, when you are gluing your foam down, make sure you're holding it until it dries, because it is foam, and for those who know about foam, it takes longer to cool down and dry. So after I am done gluing the foam pieces down, I'm gonna take this outside and spray paint the insides of the bowl. I am gonna then take these pre-cut pieces of the mirror Mosaic that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to glue them down the foam pieces. And by the way, do not copy this method. I don't know, I was tweaking. I should have went all the way down for each one, but I didn't. So I would go all the way down versus doing the top and flipping it over and then doing the middle, because that was just backwards. And after I finished with the mosaic tiles, I decided to add in this poster board, this metallic poster board, just to give it an extra shine. And I also cut out a piece for the top and the bottom of the table. Lastly, I took these two platters that I also got from the Dollar Tree and I just glued them back to back. I added this piece of cardboard in between because there was a gap and I didn't want it to eventually sink in and give it this dip. After that was done, I took my metallic poster board and I cut a strip, and I'm going to be using that as the trim. After that part is done, I am going to glue it to the top of the table, and then voila, we are done. This table came out so beautiful. I am in love with this. Let me know if you guys feel the same. Let me know if you are feeling this table. I love, love, love it. And that's how you do glam on a budget. Please, please, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for all your support. See you next time, glitter babes, and please be safe out there.